Hello everyone and welcome back to Cypress UI automation session. In last session we learned Cypress asynchronous nature and promise handling, and also we learned how to automate and verify checkboxes. Now in today's session we continue our learning and we learn today how to handle static and dynamic dropdown in Cypress. Before moving on our today's topic, please hit the subscribe button and like button. Also hit the bell icon for the all latest updates. For this, we use this website. Here in this website, we can see the drop-down old style select menu. This is static drop-down. First, click on that and select any option like yellow and assert that option. First, we create a new it block. And here we add the cy.visit and our website and save it. We can see on our runner website loaded successfully. From the runner we get our element locator and copied it and paste it into the VS Code. After that we use .select command, and in select command we add our option color yellow. Now save. Then we can see our runner in drop down color selected successfully. Now we add assertion by using .shoot command, that we add content.text yellow. Now save and run. We can see our assertion successfully work in our test runner, and also we can see our logs. Now move to the dynamic drop down. With this drop down we click and select any option from the drop down list. First from the runner we get the value of the drop down, then using type command we type root in search box. We click and type root in the search box. Now we need to get drop down locator. For that we use DOM, but whenever I try to click to locate element, it disappears. To resolve that, in event listener remove the blur properties. Now we click on the drop down value, we able to identify element in DOM. And now in VS Code we type cy.get element, and for the drop down section we use .each command. This function iterates our each element matched by the previous cy.get command, and el represent the current element in the iteration. Index is the index of the current element in the collection, and list is the list of the all the matched elements. And next we use if our text is matched with the another root option. Inside the every iteration we check if our el value like el.text is equal to another root option, then we click on it. Otherwise it skip it. For the every iteration we use cy.wrap. This line wraps the current element using it to make Cypress command chainable. Then trigger a click event on it. This action selects the another root option from the options in the drop down. Now we can see in our runner value selected from the drop down. After that we add the assertion to verify. We get the element locator, and by using the shoot command have.text and another root option, that we can see a runner value assert successfully. For this drop down we get the locator, then clicked on it. Now for the drop down list we get the element from the DOM. Now same cy.get element each command, and if condition text equal to ms, it will click on it. Now we can see in runner from the drop down value selected. After that we add the assertion to verify. We get the element locator, and by using shoot command and have.text is equal to ms, then we can see in a runner value assert successfully. If you have any queries, please let me know in comment section. In next session, we'll learn about how to handle alerts, visible and invisible element in Cypress. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Cypress tips and tutorials. Happy testing.